Hi guys! It's Nicole and Jason.
What up?
With Honest Try TV. And today we're going to do our first impression unboxing of the UPPAbaby MESA car seat. So Zaire is going to be here in about 6 to 8 weeks. So we're getting prepared and decided to go with UPPAbaby as the brand for our stroller and car seat collection. So I ordered the, baby, if you can zoom in, it's the Bryce white Marl version. So I got a little patch there so you can kind of see what the fabric's going to look like. But we're going to open it up for you anyway. So you can join us on this little adventure to see what we got. I know nothing about car seats. I've never installed one. I don't know, whatever. So I read the reviews. UPPAbaby is a very well-reviewed brand. So really excited here to see if it lives up to the hype. So here we go. I wonder how heavy this is. Ooh, she heavy.
Yeah.
Ooh, she heavy. Hey, let's trade.
No, it's okay. Hold that.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, she's heavy.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, cool. So I'm going to just peel this back a little bit so you can see it. Come on. There we go. There we go. So yeah, that's how we're looking.
Here, I'm going to pick this up. Take it out.
There we go. There we go.
Okay.
All right. See, do we have anything else in the box? No. Okay. So,
All right, cool.
Comes all assembled. That's nice. With your little bag of stuff here.
Good.
Scissors.
Okay.
Make sure it don't hurt you. Stab my husband. All right, and take that out. And this says limited lifetime warranty. I ordered this on Amazon, and it was on sale. Amazon was having some sort of baby sale. So I got this for I don't want to lie. I want to say it was $225 on sale from Amazon. So if you are in the market for baby stuff, keep an eye out for these periodic baby sales that Amazon has, because maybe you can benefit from that. So yeah, this is how we're looking. I'm so excited. Never, ever, ever had one of these before. I know nothing about it. I don't know how to install it. Don't know what to expect. So I'm just gonna unpackage our little package here and see what they're talking about. Okay, very thick book of instructions. 2 very thick books. Our limited lifetime warranty. Oh, so extend your 2-year warranty to a limited lifetime warranty. Qualify, you must register within 3 months of purchase. Available on car seats purchased after Jan 1, 2019. Faster support, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I'll take care of this ASAP. So I'm assuming one's in English and one's in Spanish, yes. You can tell just by the bottom here. So let's go with the English one. Before you begin, certification, use recommendations, registration, notice of expiration, warnings. Rear-facing seat features, vehicle compatibility, base installation with lower anchors, base installation with vehicle seatbelts. So yeah, that's basically, carrier installation, general use, stroller compatibility, which we're going to get the entire UPPAbaby set, so I'm not worried about compatibility. And then care maintenance. So yeah, and then they go on to give you the breakdown, but this is how we're looking. So right off the bat, I will explain. I wanted a light fabric because I am a little OCD, and for me, while white can get dirty easily, I want something that I can tell it's clean, right? I don't want black fabric. I want to be confident that my child's seat and clothing are clean at all times. So I wanted a light fabric that I could easily, you know, I could see it. I could see the boogers and take care of them. I will say it's very nicely padded. Like yeah, this is nice. It feels relatively comfortable. It's a little hard on the sides here, but the rest of this is super nice, super soft. Got some lumbar support here. Got the little seat belts. Let me see how I open this. Okay. Okay.
Struggling there.
Yeah, I know. First time. So I guess this is his little legs go here. And then we put these around his little shoulders. And then, you know, he's in there, you know. So I'm assuming this is set for newborn level because this is tiny. Yeah. This is tiny. But the seat grows with the child. So
nice.
As needed, we can like pull this stuff out and get more space if need be. So that as our baby gets older, let's see, boom.
Oh yeah, there you go.
And then you've got, you know, it expands, and then you can go up to larger sizes. So yeah, should grow with the baby. But yeah, it looks really nice. Like I love the aesthetic.
Try taking out of its little
The base
and carry it. See how heavy it is.
with just the stroller. I mean, just the car seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I see moms doing it one-handed like beasts. Thank you. Just get the rest of the packaging off. There we go.
It's packaged well.
Yeah. I'm going to leave that tag on there.
Yeah. It's against the law if you cut it off.
Take that one off. I don't know about these stickers. I think I'll probably end up removing those stickers.
I don't think you can.
No?
No, because they're
These?
safety stickers, I think, aren't they?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
All right, so let's see. Oh, there's some instructions on the side. Here, you see those? More warnings, lots of warnings. You can tell that this poor little industry has been sued to death because the sucker is covered. Sucker's covered in warnings. Okay, so I gotta read the book because I don't know how to separate it. Overview of base, overview of carrier is on page 10. On page 10 of the book. Overview of the base. Yeah, because you like permanently install this in the car.
Right.
So that'll be fun times. We'll do that. That'll be part of
video.
another video. How to install the UPPAbaby MESA base in our vehicle. So here's our base. And then it's supposed to be really easy. Vehicle belt, lock-in. Huh.
Clearly not easy enough, huh? Let's just start with the handles. How about that? Hey, come here.
Okay.
Let's start with the handles.
Okay.
All right, there you go. So you got a handle now. And what other buttons can you push to get it?
Here's one.
Okay.
Here's two buttons in the front. Here, I'll hold them down. You lift up. Okay, no, that didn't work. There's these other buttons on the side. I don't know what these are for. Maybe seat belts.
What are these?
Oh,
I don't know.
that might be for the stroller.
There's a button up here.
Oh. Nope.
Nope.
That ain't it. All right, so here's the base right here. And the buttons that I see are here. Is this it? Let's see. No.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, so on page 35, I finally found it. Releasing carrier from the base. We pushed all these buttons that we could visibly see. None of them worked. So I found it. Pull and hold carrier release button on the back of the carrier and lift carrier off the base. So if you can squat down here, there you go. That's your carrier release button. So you just pull this bad boy. Hear that? And I'm just pulling it forward. And then Jason should be able to easily lift.
There we go.
Just like that. How heavy is it?
I don't think it's heavy. You should test it and probably add mentally another 7 pounds.
All right.
Hold on.
Okay. It took me a little bit to get on my feet because now I've got Zaire. This is my first maternity shirt, and as you can see, it's now too small because I've got my little tummy hanging out of the bottom of it.
You're a big girl.
Oh, this isn't bad. It's not lightweight by any stretch of the imagination.
But you have to remember, it's like add 7 more pounds or 8 more pounds.
Yeah, 7 to 10 more pounds. And that's your baby. I could do it. I could do it if I do it up here. And while not pregnant. And out of breath. It's going to be hard if I'm like pregnant with baby number 2. And he's like not a newborn anymore. It's going to be hard for me to carry this and while pregnant. Yeah. But whatever, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But this is good. And then to put it back, I should just be able to sit it on the base here. Oh,
there you go.
There we go. And that's it.
That was easy.
So yeah, it is very easy.
Once you read the manual, I think.
Once you find the button, it is very, very easy to lock in place and then pull out. It's literally just more. So you would reach in the back of the thing.
And that makes sense. It's easier because that's the back is technically the front when you put it in the car. So it should be much easier.
Yeah. So this is our car seat, guys. We're super excited. Look for future videos as we explore and learn how to use this sucker. We're going to install the base in our car, and we're going to make sure we get registered as soon as possible. I'm going to go do that right now, actually. And yeah, thanks for joining us on this episode of Honest Try TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let us know if you have any questions or things that you'd like for us to explore or try out or experiment on with this. And yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.